everyone, welcome back to a new post today. It is on this day that Chandrayaan 3, the India lunar mission, landed on the south pole of the moon, making India the first nation to do so. And it is on August 23rd, 2023 that Prime Minister Narendra Modi decided to celebrate August 23rd as the National Space Day. The first National Space Day was celebrated on August 23rd, 2024, and today is the second National Space Day. The theme for 2025 is Aryabhatta to Gaganyaan, from ancient wisdom to infinite possibilities. Now, this marking the second National Space Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to the public and said that India is now venturing into semi-cryogenic stage and other critical technologies as well. From a very humble beginning in 1963 in Thamba to the capability of landing on the moon, India's journey in space has been remarkable. The National Space Day was celebrated for the landing of Chandrayaan 3 as mentioned, and today ISRO is leading the nation's rapidly expanding space program marked by path-breaking innovations, international collaborations, growing private sector involvement and ambitious plans for human spaceflight and planetary missions as well. A major milestone achieved by India is in collaboration with the US, that is launching the NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar mission, or NISAR, which is the first joint ever Earth observation project between India and United States. The satellite was launched on board of GSLV F-16, marking the first GSLV mission to a sun-synchronous polar orbit, and also NISAR is equipped with dual frequency radar payloads which will help to take images of the Earth's surface for every 12 days, even in all weather and day and night and high cloud conditions as well. This is very crucial for for global environmental monitoring, including seismic activity, tracking ice sheet movement and shoreline changes as well. India now marked a significant achievement this year with the human spaceflight. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla became the first, or Shaks became the first Indian to visit the ISS, and making him the second Indian to go into space after Rakesh Sharma at a gap of almost 40 years. He also served as the mission pilot on the Axiom Mission 4 that was launched in July 2025. Shukla therefore returned to the Earth after 18 days on board ISS, and during this time period he conducted groundbreaking experiments in microgravity, in algae growth, tardigrade survival, seed germination, muscle regeneration and human-computer interaction as well. His return was celebrated across the country and is said to be a very important development for the upcoming Gaganyaan mission, or the human spaceflight mission. Slated for launch in 2027, the Gaganyaan aims to send Indian astronaut in the low Earth orbit and bring them back safely to the Earth aboard ISRO's LVM-3, or the GSLV spacecraft. 4 Indian Air Force officers, including Shubhanshu Shukla, have been selected as astronaut designates and are currently undergoing extensive training. Meanwhile, ISRO is conducting critical stress tests, including the development of a human-rated launch vehicle, a crewed module and an escape system. The first uncrewed test mission is expected to be launched later this year from Sriharikota Spaceport. India's achievements extend beyond Earth orbit. Its Chandrayaan program has placed the country among the world's leading lunar explorers. Chandrayaan 1 was launched in 2008, Chandrayaan 2 in 2019 and Chandrayaan 3 in 2023, which soft landed on the lunar south pole, making India the first nation to reach this region. ISRO is now preparing for Chandrayaan 4, which will attempt to have a complex lunar mission, with returning the mission with dual launches and also samples of the moon as well. Chandrayaan 5 is further to expand India's lunar surface science in this area. India's interplanetary credentials were also cemented with the Mars Orbiter mission, or the Mangalyaan, launched in 2013. It made India the first Asian nation to reach the Martian orbit in the very first attempt. Initially expected for just 6 months, but the mission operated for 7 years, transmitting valuable data about the Martian atmosphere and also the terrain. ISRO is now developing the next generation launch vehicle with a payload capacity of 30,000 kg to the low Earth orbit. These vehicles will feature reusable first stages, improving cost efficiency and increasing launch frequency. The agency is also working in space docking technology, orbital re-entry vehicles, satellite servicing systems. Another long-term project is the Bharatiya Antariksh Station. India is planning an independent space station on the line of ISS to be completed by 2035. It will serve as a platform for sustainable human presence in space and foster international collaboration in scientific research. India is also taking strong steps to ensure sustainable space operations like the Debris-free space mission DFSM launched in 2024. It has an ambitious goal of achieving 90% post-mission disposal success by 2030. The initiative is supported by India's growing space situational awareness infrastructure, including the IS-4OM system, and monitors and mitigates threats from the space debris. International collaborations now remain central to India's space strategy. The LUPIX mission with Japan aims to explore the lunar south pole further. The Trishna mission, developed with France, will monitor Earth's temperature and water cycles. The Proba mission with the European Space Agency is now being developed further. The NISAR that has been launched is the strongest cooperation between ISRO and NASA. Commercial partnerships are also expanding, with now India giving permission to SpaceX Starlink to provide satellite internet services in collaboration with telecom firms like Airtel and Reliance Jio. India's space sector is also now experiencing a boom. There is a startup boom of space sector in India, with 328 startups now active in areas ranging from satellite monitoring, manufacturing and propulsion to space analytics and launch services as well. The liberalization of FDI and the policy support under the Indian Space Policy 2023 have encouraged private sector innovation and participation. Several high-profile missions are in the near-term horizon. One of them is the Gaganyaan. The other one is PSLV C61 and the Earth Observation Satellite 09, the LBM-3 MEM-5 mission carrying the Bluebird Block 2 commercial satellite payload. Further missions are being developed for Mars, Venus, advanced lunar exploration under Chandrayaan-5. India is all building up its efforts for Space Vision 2044 framework, which outlines India's long-term goals in space. These include human missions to Moon by 2040, establishment of a national space station or the Bharatiya Antariksh Station. India now is emerging as a global leader in interplanetary science, exploration, commerce, and is a most sought after destination for launching satellites to many poor countries and developing countries all around the world, and even developed countries like USA as well, because of its cost effectiveness. So these are the most important topics I thought I should be sharing with you all on National Space Day. Happy National Space Day to all, and I thought if this helps you, if you did, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment at the end of the video. I shall see you in my new post. Until then, it's very happy learning.